Our first category here today is advancements in healthcare, and this category honors a company or an individual who is responsible for a scientific discovery or for the development of a new medical product or procedure. So how impressive is that? So this year's winner in the advancements in healthcare category is Parameswaran Hari. So you can start making your way up to the stage here. And Dr. Hari is with the Medical College of Wisconsin. He collaborated with faculty and staff there and at Froedtert and Children's Hospital of Wisconsin and the University Blood Center of Wisconsin to achieve a first-in-the-world trial. This is so impressive for a CAR T-cell therapy. Now, this extended the life of a 52-year-old Wisconsin man with lymphoma who is now in remission. This breakthrough creates hope for patients who have not had success with other more traditional therapies like chemotherapy and radiation. So please welcome Dr. Hari.
Thanks, Adrian, and thanks to all of you. It's very humbling and enlightening morning so far. Actually, many heroes that I heard from, Adam and our panel here, who are at the forefront of another healthcare battle. My work is in cancer, so what I did on behalf of a huge team that was behind me is I just put together that team, and actually they did all the work. Some of them are here. My colleague, Dr. Shah, who's the primary investigator on this trial, the scientists, the nurses, the clinical research coordinators, the physician assistants, and there's a whole bunch of people in the hospital who could not be here who actually took care of the patients. What we did was to take immune cells from a patient who was dying of cancer, convert them into supercharged immune cells that had the potential to cure the cancer. And this technology does exist in other places, but we actually made an innovation that made it even more advanced. We targeted 2 proteins on the surface of the cancer. And we actually did it in a fashion where we could make it locally in the hospital at a very, very low cost, about 1/10 of the cost of what drug companies charge for this. This is probably the most expensive treatment in medicine. It costs about $500,000 for a dose, and ours is a tiny fraction of that cost, and done locally inside the hospital by my colleagues, Dr. Zhu, Dr. Johnson, who actually devised the way of doing it. So I, being the senior person, I just assembled them all together, and I'm so honored to receive this award actually on their behalf and on the patient who actually volunteered to be the first person to go on it without any expectation of coming through it, because he was literally dying from his cancer, and now we think he's cured. It's more than 16 months that he has had this. So many of my colleagues who supported us are in these tables, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13 for the Medical College of Wisconsin and Froedtert Cancer Center. But more importantly, we did not get any funding from any sources that we applied to. Dr. Shah and myself applied to the American Cancer Society, American Society of Clinical Oncology, American Society of Hematology. They just did not believe that tiny Milwaukee could do it. So we actually had funding from you guys. So you guys are all the real heroes. We had philanthropic funding. We had people who gave us money. People of my patients who had died before, they said in their memorials, please give to Dr. Hari's cancer research. So we got funds ranging from $5 to $500,000 from various people, and we put together this team. We funded everything ourselves, and now people are throwing money at us because we have now a major trial that's coming through. And from Stanford, Cologne, Germany, multi-center international trial. So thank you, all of you, and I'm really honored to accept this. Thanks so much.